Hurricane Ian literally didn't even hit where I live. It just like knocked some sticks down. Like, there's a little bit of wind. It pretty much missed us. And we didn't even get really affected by it. It didn't even rain for like 30 minutes yesterday. Like, there ain't even that many sticks in my yard. Hush. But I ain't gonna make a video today because I'm going to I gotta do food plots and we're trimming pads, and then I'm going to the river, and I'll probably update y'all with the pads and food plots tomorrow when I get home. So yeah, peace. I bet y'all this junk's so muddy, bro. And I got on socks, so I ain't finna dip my feet in. I'm gonna try not to. Oh. Hopefully we don't roll in this. I wonder how deep this is. Look at the mud on my tires still. Oh. Front tire is off the ground. But we're good. Alright, we're in here. Oh. It's a little muddy. I was trying to get it to dry. Dang, look at the water down here. There ain't even water. It's just mud. Look at that big old frog. Oh, it's muddy over here. This about to be fun to go through. Hopefully we don't get stuck in it. This is the sketchy part. Climbing over this log. It always feels like it's about to roll over here. Alright, I'm leaning. Alright, I think we're good. Dang, this thing's leaning. My bad about the camera angle, y'all. I was just trying not to roll. I should have brought my GoPro. We didn't get no rain at all. It was just wind. That's probably why there's so many sticks in there. I'm gonna go through another rut in this mud. Oh, it was spinning good. Y'all, peace out. I'll see you on the next video. If you enjoyed, leave a like and subscribe.